everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about a case study on wireless charging system. So we have taken a Harvard Business School case study, which is about BMW's wireless charging systems. So who's gonna tell about what we are going to discuss today in detail?
So I gonna tell about what we are going to discuss today. In today's world, electric vehicle becomes it is more use because of rising fuel and also the environmental concerns. The only problem in electric vehicle is the charging. So in traditional charging, it takes more time and also it is not portable. We want a plug or any source for charging. So for this, wireless charging becomes a solution. In wireless charging, we charge using without using any physical connection. We charge using a charging pad. It is done by electromagnetic induction. While we place a vehicle on a parking place, the vehicle get automatically charges. So in this case study, we are going to see what are the working of how it works, wireless charging works, its real world impacts, its advantages, limitations, and also the future scope of wireless charging.
First, let's get introduced to what is meant by wireless charging in detail.
So, the wireless charging basically works on electromagnetic induction. And there are two main components of this wireless charging. The first one is transmitter coil and the second one is receiver coil. The transmitter coil will be placed on the ground and the receiver coil will be placed under the vehicle. So when the AC current is supplied to the receiver's coil, there will be a magnetic field produced which induces the receiver coil so that charge will be produced and it is used. The electricity will be produced and it is used as charge the battery. And there are two types of wireless charging: static charging and dynamic charging. In static charging, the vehicle is used to stand still and charged. And in dynamic charging, which is under construction, so the vehicle will be charged while moving. And this efficiency, the wireless charging efficiency can be varied based on their alignment and position and even their power also.
Okay. So what is the actual problem with this wireless charging system?
In real world, companies like Qualtrics and Qualcomm Halo have developed
Wireless charging
EV charging systems. One notable case is BMW's EV charging systems were tested in plug-in hybrid vehicles. In this system, ground pad is installed in the parking spaces and the vehicle automatically starts charging.
So they have come up with a solution of how we can install this wireless charging system in EVs. As rightly told by Harsha, we have static and dynamic. It is very easy to install a static wireless charging system into any sort of electronic gadgets as well as EVs. But the real drawback is that to use those wireless charging system in a dynamic motion. So that problem has been faced by BMW and they have come up with some solutions also. So next,
I'm going to talk about the advantages and the challenges faced by wireless charging. So there are so many advantages, as there is no cable, which is easy and simple to use, and which is low maintenance cost, and it also prevents electric shock for the users. So it is well useful for the users. And though there are so many advantages, there are still some challenges faced by wireless charging. There are the infrastructure cost is so expensive, and the initial cost is also so expensive. And the main challenges faced is the efficiency for wireless charging is comparatively less than wired charging.
So, through this case study, we have come to a conclusion that compared to wired charging, wireless charging is feasible, yet their efficiency is very poor, and particularly in dynamic charging, dynamic systems. So, Komala, can you conclude and give us future scope about what the current happenings in this wireless charging system?
Wireless charging infrastructure is coming in EV station is a future involvement. We have portably two methods, dynamic charging roads like while driving we can also charge, while moving the car even we can charge the batteries easily, and it also integrated with the smart cities. Now it is also applicable for the easy charging for the buses and the taxis. In like countries like India, it is most probably having more charging stations blooming for easy charging for EVs.
So already we have used this wireless charging systems for mobile phones and all. But incorporating those technologies for EV, it is quite tedious because it is not static, it is going to be dynamic, because whenever a system is dynamic, the charging will be of different due to regeneration and due to the environmental factors. It will have an impact on this wireless charging. So many serious researches are going on in this dynamic wireless charging system for EVs, and hopefully we will in future we will get a better upgradation about this. So thank you for joining this case study video. Thank you.